Okay, in the first move of this part of the kata NP, it's very important to understand how you have to use your leg to come back in similarly Neko Ashidashi stance to continue, prepare and have good Kibadachi. Okay, first move, when you are in this position, after this move, prepare and Gedenbarai. Here it's very important to squeeze, to bend inside your two legs, inside your hips. Like this, you are flexed here, you have to flex here. In first time, like this, flex. When you are flexed, you have to squeeze inside this leg, and push on the heel and try to push inside with your feet to come back slowly. Okay, like this. One, like this, with the feet right on the floor. This is the first move. After, move and put down Kibadachi. So, first move, Gedenbarai, flex, the feet on the floor and push on the heel and push with the feet inside and squeeze inside here. Like this to pull your leg, your front leg. This move is very important. It's not like this. Don't do it, please. Here and push. Push to up the leg. No. You have to stay in the same level. Don't push up. Push back to flex this leg, and squeeze in the same time. Squeeze and come back and post your leg here. After this first move, you have to prepare the second move. Okay? The first move is here. We see flex, pull, keep the body right. Okay? Don't forget, you are here, not flex back and like this. No. Don't do it. Okay? You have to stay right with your body, like this, and pull for come back the body. Okay. When you are in this move, at this moment, your back feet and back leg must stay right, and the front leg have to come back from you and turn and bend inside these hips to prepare the move like Angetsu, and turn after. It's the same. Prepare and turn. Okay? Here is the same idea. Not the same in the kata, but the same idea. You are here, you have to flex, pull your leg, and after this knee, feet and hips stay right. This leg, turn around your front leg very strong. One, like this. One, like this. One and prepare, like this. Okay? Very important to keep this leg very strong and don't do it, please. One, turn and turn. No, this leg stays strong, in place. And only this leg work, and only inside your hips you have to bend. After, come back your leg. Like this. One, open the hand. Like this. Turn around and put in Kibadachi and prepare here. Then after, you have to strike in your hand and group all your body in this position, Ashidashi. This is same idea like the first move of the part of the kata, and this is the same idea like Gangaku, for example. Okay. Don't push directly to try to be here. Very difficult to have good stability. Try to use the same move like the first part. You will see this. Like this. Flex, flex, and after flex here. 1, 2, 2, pull, and go up after, to have good stability. This is the same for NP, okay? You are here, all this part of your body have to be flexed here in the hips. This part stays strong. Only this arm can down just a little to strike inside, but is all this part of your body flex here, okay? Like this, push, push in the same time, ashi, and strike, and little go down with your arm, like this, hey! And after prepare here. Next move are more simple, just two tsuki. You have just to be vigilant about your elbow, okay? You are here, prepare the move. Don't have the elbow like this, elbow like this. Sometimes we'll see this kind of move, not good. You have to hide your elbow behind your fist in every move, okay? Strike direct. It's not move with a wave. It's a straight move. So be vigilant about this. You are here, and after, very straight. The same in the other side. The same in the other side. You have to push with your hips in the same time, and have this part of your feet very strong on the floor. Very strong on the floor, and relax in the upper body. Prepare like this. In the next move, you have to use your hips in 2 times before turn and doing Zenkutsu Deshi stance with Gedenbarai. It's not only turn position and move your body in Gedenbarai direction. Not only like this. Okay, you are in this stance, Kibadachi, 1, 2, and directly move your feet and your leg like this, and doing Gedenbarai. No, please don't do it. You have to prepare some elasticity inside your hips to deploy very straight your move. It's not only move your feet and your feet is here and your feet go here. Like a move, diagonally move. No. It's something you have to go straight. You have to pull inside yourself to go straight. This is a good move. And your hips must be in 45 degrees like Hammi position. Not Shomen and not hips position. You don't know where is your hips. You have to know this. Your hips have a direction, and you have to choose and doing the good direction in every move in a kata. Okay? So here, when you are in Kibadachi, prepare, Tutsuki, 1, 2, your hips have to go inside in first. Inside, and in the same time, prepare. And when you are with your leg, go up of the floor to take the good position of Zenkutsu. When you liberate your move, at this moment, open your hips to doing Gedenbarai. This is the good move, okay? So, 1 to learn, and second move. This is like this you have to work. Not move directly the feet and doing something in the upper body. Not good, okay? Here you have to do it all in the same time. After prepare, Tutsuki, prepare in your hips, and in the same time deploy your leg in Zenkutsu and open your hips at the end. 1, 2, and directly. Like this. 1, 2, prepare in the hips, and directly. This is more speed, and more straight, and more relaxed with elasticity. Not only move arm and change position of your feet. It's too strong in the upper body. You have to relax it. Like this. And bend inside. 1, 2. Bend, bend, bend and open. Bend and open. Like this. After, for finish all the Shutoke with Kokutsu Dashi stance, it's very important to begin all the move with a good position after Agezuki. Okay? Many times we see something like this. Geden Barai, like this, and turn here, you are straight, and you turn in this position to doing Agezuki. When you are doing this move, not good, please, because your center of gravity is more in the center. And to go straight after to doing Shutoke, you have more power to use to push in your back leg and your front leg. And it's not speed and powerless. Okay? To have good move, it's very important to bend inside your hips when you are doing Agezuki. You have to be strong on your front leg. Very important. Not stay in the line, middle line. Okay? Like this. Not stay in the middle line, but try to be very showman, maximum on your front leg. But please, don't move like this your back leg too much. Okay? Like this. And with your back leg come back. Not good. Okay? You have to try to stay. But you can close your hips and stay in the center. It's possible, but not good. And you can close your hips like a door. Here, and this part go here. Okay? And you can, doing not good, this part go here, this part go back. And you stay here. Okay? It's a good move, but in the kata it's not the good move. You can doing this in a kyo or other kind of move, but in the kata is not in the same place. Okay? You have to flex and approaching your upper body straight from your front leg to have more power in this leg, because after for Shutoke you need to use your muscle behind here. You have to pull with this muscle and pull with your feet and your heel. And your back leg is only to have a little power to push. And after you have to pull here and pull back with your feet. If you are here, it's very difficult to pull with the leg inside. It's very difficult. You have more power to push in back leg to are more strong in front, and it's not good. Okay? So when you are Geden Barai, you are in this line. The point of your door, of the door of your hips, is here. This part of the hips go in front, and you are more in the front leg. After, it's possible to pull and turn on the heel to go more speed to doing Kokutsu Dashi position. After, the last move are very easy. It's to come back your front leg with the same idea of the first move of the part of the kata. Is not directly push and come back, is have to flex back. And it's the same with Kokutsu Dashi, but in Kokutsu Dashi you are already in the back leg flex. So you have to bend inside to close your hips and pull your leg to be in this position after change. Okay? So after the first Kokutsu and Shutoke, you are in the back leg very strong and your hips inside is bent. bend inside, and shutoke. Turn the heel and pull under the leg to come back the feet and keep the feet like this. Not like this to come back. Not like this and come back. Here. No, no, no. Keep the feet on the floor and the front feet on the floor. Very important. Like this. One and prepare. And turn on the heel. Okay? When you are in this move, you have to turn on the heel one more and deploy in the same time your kokudashi stance, with shutoke. So, here, and push your hips to fall front and turn on the heel at the same time. And have good steps. And for finish after, this is the same like Heian Godan. You have to be focused about your back knee, okay? And your feet must have opposition with your back knee. And your hips go in front, like Heian Godan, the start. You are in this move, one, directly, and after, this move of your hips go front, and this knee go back, and the fist in this direction, like this. Don't have the knee like this, go with your fist. It's the same for shutoke in this part of the kata MP, okay? So, here, come back, change. When you are here, it's the same like Heian Godan. And after, when you are in this position, you have to turn on the heel, bend inside and pull inside to close your move. With your hips front, it's more easy to go straight, like this, and in the last time, doing shutoke quickly. Okay? So it's very easy to understand the last move. You are here, inside, squeeze and pull and keep the body straight. One, keep strong this part of your body. One, turn. Okay? Good Kibanachi, very strong. This part strong, only this part bent inside. One, carry here. Prepare and deploy. Be good in the center. Hide your elbow behind your fist. 1, 2. Prepare your hips inside to deploy Hami at the end, Geden Barai. 1, like this. Be strong inside to be here with Agezuki. To be strong on your heel and pull back your leg. Inside your leg back. Under your leg, sorry. Like this. Don't forget, oppose, like this, your knee, your feet, your fist and your hips front. Like this. And after, pull and change at the end to doing shutoke.